Okay, everyone, I'm going to teach you how to do the Spotify project in your interactive journals. Go all the way to the end of your journal on slides 69 and 70. Page 69 is going to have your instructions for the project. For this activity, you are going to pretend you are Mark from The Honest Truth and you're going to make a playlist for him with songs. You do not have to use Spotify. You could use YouTube, Pandora, iTunes, wherever you have access to music. YouTube is free, so I recommend you do YouTube first. It says you are creating a list of 10 songs that Mark might have on his playlist while on his journey to Mount Rainier. Change that to five songs. You may have more, but just know that I'm only grading up to 5 songs. There will not be extra credit if you decide to add more songs, but it is like an extension activity for you if you'd like to do that. Step 1, you are going to choose a moment in the book. Step 2, you are going to write down the direct quote from the book for the moment you chose. Step 3, name the song and the artist. Step 4, explain in one sentence why you chose this song for that moment. You can take a look at the example below. We have the moment, chapter 3. He chased them away, and then he had come back to me, and my dog was licking the blood and tears from my face, and he was only worried about me. He was my hero. Geeman Hart, page 45 through 46. The song was I Love My Dog by Cat Stevens. Why I chose this song for this moment was because Mark had been beaten up. Bo had chased away the group of guys and came back to take care of Mark. He was Mark's hero. So your answer should look very similar to that. So since we have 5 songs, I need y'all to duplicate slide 70. You need 5 of this slide. So where is the duplicate page? Paste. Okay. So I'm going to delete this blank one that I just made. Delete. So you need 5 of this slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you should have 5 of this slide, and I am going to do an example with you guys so you know what your answer should look like. So the first thing is I want to choose my moment. So I go back to the book, and one of my favorite moments is at the end in chapter 13, where Mark has this realization moment that he's not angry anymore and he's not afraid anymore. All of that was his sickness and his anger, and he got lost in it. But there's always the other side of the storm and the people who get you there. So that's the moment I want to choose for my moment. Unlock. I'm going to erase this, and I will type out. Okay, so I'm gonna do, here's what I get, everything. But I don't want this whole thing. I just want to do the main parts. I thought of all my sickness, all my anger, all my fear. All that was just the darkness, just the storm. I got lost in it. But there's always the other side of the storm and the people who get you there. Then I'm gonna do Geeman Heart. This is page, okay, I don't have the page numbers on here. Let's pretend this is on page 240. Please make sure you look up the right page. Right here. And I'm actually gonna add that this is chapter 13. Great. Why I chose the song and then the song. So for next, I need to actually choose a song. I already have one ready, but the way I chose it was I looked through some song lyrics to see what would fit in this moment, and I found this song from Coldplay. So I looked at the lyrics and I really liked this song about like bones sinking like stones, all that we fought for. We live in a beautiful world. There's nothing here to run from because here everybody's got somebody to lean on. I thought that really fit in with Mark's realization in this moment. So I am going to type that out here. Because the song lyrics really parallel what Mark is realizing in this moment. He is not alone and he has others to lean on. While there is darkness and the storm continues to rage on, he reflects that he lives in a beautiful world despite that. Okay, something of that manner. I only wrote a couple of sentences. I think I only wrote that you need one sentence explanation though. Okay, so for my song, I'm gonna unlock, and my song is called Don't Panic by Coldplay. Now someone asked, what if you don't know who it's by? Like, what if it's from a movie or from a video game? You can write from, I don't know if you can tell over here, from, and then you can say like from Disney's Moana. I don't know. Like that. So that tells me like where you got that song from. Or like from The Legend of Zelda. If that is helpful to you. Now here is the most important part. We are going to take this YouTube video, click on where it says share, copy. If you want me to only listen to a specific part in the song, so for example, I only want to listen to like this last part. Let me go to that last part. Okay, and then I'm going to share, and I'm going to put start at here. So wherever I had like left the music video at, that's where I'm going to start. And it'll say like the time. So now I'm going to go back to my Spotify playlist. There's a plus sign at the top here. Put web video. Paste that URL. And then that video should pop up, and then click insert. You can adjust the size, and you're going to put that right where that little video spot is. Oops. Okay. If for some reason you are finding your song somewhere else, like you're not using YouTube, then you can link the song however way you want. I like YouTube because you can actually see it. When you turn in this assignment, so when you have all 5 of your songs completed and they look like this, to turn it in, you are going to do a screen record. So you're going to drop this down. I'm screen recording right now, but you'll click that screen record button. If you don't know how to do it, or if you don't have this function on your iPad, let me know and I'll show you how to add it. And you are going to record yourself going through each of your songs in your playlist. And what that's gonna look like is you'll start at song number 1, you'll tell me the moment, you'll tell me the song, you're gonna play part of the song. Oh no. Okay, well, for some reason this video is unavailable, so make sure you choose a video that actually works. Maybe it'll have to go through a different screen, and that's fine. Play a little bit of your song that you want me to hear in your screen recording, and then explain to me why you chose that song. But the most important part is that you have all of these completed and you have your song in here that I can listen to. And that's all. So please let me know if you have any questions on that.